People worry about the proliferation of fake news on social media sites. I don't think it's a problem at all, or it doesn't have to be a problem. If the source of a story is a news organization that you have always known to be credible, be it a newspaper or be it one of the networks, then it's probably good. Click on it, read it, and be educated by it. If it's a source you've never heard of before, skip it. It might be true, it might not be true. Just skip it. Problem solved. The real problem, though, is that it isn't solved because not enough people do that. And the second problem is there's more and more people who don't believe the traditional news organizations are truthful, and they believe the conspiracy theorists are the ones telling the truth. You know, the New York Times, we all know, is fake news, according to some prominent people, and it's making stuff up. We all know the Earth is flat, right? It's just that the New York Times can't tell you that. So how do you... The newspaper industry could go around. By the way, the newspaper and the news industry, the legitimate news industry, which would include newspapers and television stations, magazines, wire services, could go around on a campaign to tell people that credibility matters, objectivity matters, honesty matters. But for so many people, the more they hear that, the more they're going to conclude the exact opposite, right? A guilty man is the one who says he's innocent. So why would you believe NBC or the New York Times or the Miami Herald or the South Florida Sun-Sentinel? If we say we're credible, it must be because we're not credible. So I don't know how to win that one. I'm hoping that time will help, and that if the gullibility of people and the belief in conspiracy theories and a mistrust of legitimate news organizations goes so far that it becomes ridiculous, that it'll swing back in the other direction. I really am hopeful that that happens.